Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. In this video, I'm sharing my driving experience in England, which has proven to be quite interesting. Here, I'm in Surrey, travelling along the A281. The speed limit is 50 miles per hour and it's a nice sunny Wednesday morning at 8:45 a.m. And this happens. You may be able to see that initially I went left to avoid the car, but then when I saw the car had braked to stop, I then went to the right to go around the car. What would you have done? I'd like to hear your thoughts about what you would do in such a situation. I would like to know if there's anything that could have been done better. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Here's another video of the incident from a second dashcam. I have a few more weeks of driving in England before I return to Hong Kong, and I wonder what other driving incidents I would experience and document here compared to what I usually experience and document in Hong Kong. Anyway, thanks for watching and stay safe.